WideOpenSportsman.com, your daily fix of adrenaline.
Hello, I'm Dave Valtiero with Wide Open Outdoor Adventures. On this YouTube how-to post, we're going to talk about matching the hatch. Now, what do I mean by that? These small lakes that I've been fishing south of San Antonio have crawdads in them. I know that because I've seen them in the shallow water adjacent to the shores. They're just milling around in the weeds. This is the bait that the bigger bass in this lake feed on. So here's the deal. I'm going to choose lure colors that are similar to this little dude's back and shell. He's kind of an orange, red, ruby color. So that's the kind of colors of the lures that I'm going to pick. Look at these in this box. Every one of these has a crawdad kind of look to it. If you want to catch more fish and have more fun and outfish your buddies, just remember one thing. Match the hatch and you'll be the winner. Knowledge is power in the wide open outdoors.
WideOpenSportsman.com. Just get out there. You know, it's always wide open.